Hello YouTubers, this is a unboxing. So I decided to get something, my hands get pretty sore after cutting a lot of popsicles. So I went online to TEMU.com and ordered a Lixada multifunctional table saw. It was on a Black Friday special. Let's see. Instructions are there. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Alright, a bunch of stuff. Let's see what it looks like there. It looks pretty cool. Okay, it comes with a blade as well. Yeah, so it's pretty sharp. Some power cords, brush, the cleaning. Not sure what this hose attachment is. Angles, cut angles with it, and it comes with some tools. So let's get started. Okay, now we're ready to cut, and I'm going to set this to 4 millimeters because I just want to get rid of the edges of a popsicle stick. So it's pretty easy to do. I also put on a blade guard just to show what it's like, but it's not necessary unless you're not very careful. Anyway, there we go. It's 4 millimeters, and let's give it a try. I'm still unplugged, so I'm going to plug it in. Make sure it's off, yeah. And then my goggles. Important. Use goggles. Okay, let's give it a try. It does a pretty good job. It just needs a little bit of sanding. Next step, I'm going to try a row of popsicle sticks. Now I like popsicle sticks that come like this because it's all straight and it can be cut all at once. Look at that. Such a good job. And I'm going to give this a nice little sanding. So I'm going to turn this off, unplug this. Since I'm done, I'm going to put this away. And once this is all sanded nicely, you just open it up. And you have yourself some perfect mini pieces of lumber.